On November 11th, 2025, a Minnesota resident was arrested at Austin Bergstrom International Airport for theft of merchandise valued at $1,130, a Class A misdemeanor under Texas Penal Code, Section 31.03E3.
Hi, what's going on? I'm going back to my store, but she just walked out of the store. He's going to let her pay for it, but she literally stole both of those bags from him while he was helping another customer. I was just coming into work, and he told me about it, so I said, I'll help you look, because he's going to lose his job. That's over $1,000 worth of bags. Okay. Now she said she's going to pay for it, because she thought she could just walk out and they would charge her fine. I'm sorry. I'm going to go back to my store. I need to come down to your creditors.
I will go talk to him.
Thank you.
You're in that
agreement.
I can show you on camera right now if you want. That roller is like $700 something bucks, and the backpack itself is like $450 something bucks. She was trying to say that she thought this was one of, like, you know how like Amazon has stores where you can like grab stuff and walk out and it charges it to your account. She's saying it was like that, but like the video that she just got, you can tell she walks up, grabs it, she steps over here like looking, and she's looking, and then she walks and hides right there for a second, and then she just walks out back.
I wasn't trying to walk out. I mean, I was sitting on my twin.
Okay. I'll wait for him because I know he's getting the same video that you got.
Yeah.
So.
And he was busy. That's why I walked. There's places that you walk in and out, and I thought it was a scam as you walk out. I wasn't trying to leave without it. I said on my gate, I'm not trying to do anything. I'm willing to pay for it. And I apologized to him. He said he could lose his job, and I feel really bad. I really do. And I did not switch tags. I have my bag over there. I didn't do anything to misguide the look. I was just sitting on my gate.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
I just came from work, honestly, and I'm going on a trip on Friday, so I needed a bag. I saw it was busy, and I thought it was like a thing that you can, I mean, most stores in any other airport, I travel a lot, you can walk in and out and they scan as you walk out.
Okay.
In Minnesota, they're doing it like all over, and it's my bad. I didn't even look. I need it for the weekend. That's when I'm like was trying to buy it.
Okay. Well, give me just a second. Let me talk to him,
absolutely.
and then we'll figure out.
Yeah, I
if you
feel
go back home.
really bad. I really do feel bad.
Have we got her information yet?
Yeah, I got her ID. So, Minnesota.
Yeah.
The defense hinges on Texas Penal Code Section 8.02 mistake of fact. A genuine and reasonable belief that negates criminal culpability is a complete defense to prosecution. The operative word is reasonable. Belief alone is insufficient. Courts apply an objective standard. Would a reasonable person in the same circumstances hold that belief? The removal of price tags in the restroom objectively fails that standard. Concealment of merchandise identifiers is treated by Texas courts as circumstantial evidence of intent, directly contradicting the defense. On arrest authority, the victim's refusal to press charges does not bind the officer. Probable cause established by surveillance footage and possession of untagged merchandise is the sole legal threshold for arrest.
Yes. So what I was saying is that in Minnesota, I'm
not interested in the story. Where are the tags at?
So I went to the bathroom. I used the bathroom, and I needed this for the weekend.
Where are the tags?
The bathroom. And I went back.
Can you go get the tags?
Yes, and they're not there.
Okay.
It's all the bottom factory.
Okay. All right.
I did look.
The possibility is that if she does purchase it, he's fine with it.
So there's that. Okay.
That is an option. But if you can't,
swear to God. Sorry.
But if you can't find the proper tags for that, then
can they run the other ones that are like the same? I mean, there's like, I looked at the colors.
It'll be up to him. It'll be up to him if he can do. I don't know if they can do that or not.
Okay. Because there's other. I mean, I looked at the colors. I was trying. I looked at the colors and I said I like burgundy, and that's.
But I don't know what that does to their inventory. So if he brings up a black one, it might reduce their inventory by one.
Okay.
So you taking that one and the tag's not being with it anymore now, it's causing a problem with their inventory. So he's going to see what he can do to try to fix that. If not, then he's not going to
So you went back to look at. When did you go back to look for the tags?
Just now, she let me go.
Oh.
Just now, and I left my bag here. And I said, I went to the bathroom from here to the bathroom and then to the gate. Actually, I went to the lounge and then to the gate. So they clean up the bathroom.
Okay.
Can I tell my gate that I'm late, or am I gonna miss my flight? You think?
Just get. I mean, normally, if it's a 2:10.
Well, that we
boarding.
have 2:50. Yeah, 2:50.
Right.
I have time. I think I have a couple.
I mean, just depends on where's your gate at. Which gate would?
Right here, like 10.
She's out of state, so we can't give her a citation.
I mean, I swear, I promise.
Oh yeah.
So that's,
He said that's not even the airport price. He says they're normally that expensive, which
Yeah,
I've
they
never
are.
seen.
They are. I mean, I'm buying it because I'm going on a trip with my family, and it's my 50th birthday.
Where's your family at? Are they here?
In Minnesota.
Oh,
I came for work,
Okay.
so I was buying it to go on a trip to Mexico and in Minnesota.
Okay.
Can you run another color?
No.
No.
Right. It's gonna mess up his.
I mean, I could have just not come back and took my bag and leave, but I'm not trying to do that. I just no. Like when you let me go to the bathroom, I could have just leave. I'm not trying to do anything stupid. I promise.
Okay.
I came for work.
On his end, he has to do something with his inventory
Yeah.
that he, without having the tags,
Yeah.
there's nothing he can do.
Yeah.
So, in that case, that option's off the table.
Like, can I just buy another color? I mean, it's the same exact thing. So what is the?
you're under arrest.
Oh. So can I just pay for it? I swear
He
to God.
can't mess up his system. He doesn't have another wine backpack back there, so there's no other choice. We can't even cite because you're not from here, and it's Class A misdemeanor, so you're gonna have to go to jail.
Can I just buy a black one
He
instead?
can't mess up his inventory. Like I said, I mean,
Can I call the company? I mean, it's not the same code. It's in the same.
so do you have anybody on the
Can
line
we
with
look-
Delta right now?
Yeah, I have somebody online. Can we look in the bathroom, or maybe with the lady that
thought
cleaned the
you already-
bathrooms?
Well, I mean,
Can I go do that? Can we go do that?
there's gonna be virtually impossible to track down which person cleaned out.
There is like right here. I promise. I swear.
But
to
you
God.
said you already looked.
I look in the bathroom that I thought it was, but there was other bathrooms that were closed. We looked really quick.
I apologize. Like, you've already looked. You said that
There was one bathroom that hello? Yeah, so basically...
So she ripped the tags. The whole problem is because they were going to let her pay for it, but she ripped the tags off of the bathroom. They had to track her down in Delta. By the time they got her back here, they let her go look at the bathroom for the tags. He doesn't have another tag for the maroon one, so he can't scan a black one and sell it because it's going to mess up his inventory. So there's not much he can do. So, and you do want to press charges now, correct? Okay. All right.
Okay.
So it's unfortunate, but that's what it is. So,
Out-of-state residency removes the cite-and-release option. Under Texas CCP, Article 14.06 discretionary release requires a reasonable expectation of court appearance unavailable here. A Miranda compliance gap exists. Under Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, custodial interrogation requires prior advisement of rights. The question, "Where are the tags?" eliciting a potentially incriminating admission, was asked without audible advisement on record. The officer receives a B+. Legally sound arrest, consistent de-escalation, independent authority, correctly applied. Unresolved Miranda compliance prevents a higher grade. The subject receives a C+. Voluntary return and full cooperation reflect good faith. Tag removal, however, eliminated both the civil resolution path and the viability of the Section 8.02 defense. The store employee receives an A- accurate, cooperative, and proportionate. Key lesson. The mistake of fact defense is destroyed the moment conduct becomes inconsistent with the claimed belief. Removing tags while asserting automatic payment is legally self-defeating. Second freedom of movement restricted equals custody. At that point, The Fifth Amendment right to remain silent applies. Volunteering statements without counsel creates evidentiary risk, regardless of actual innocence.
I call them and then can I buy the black one? Can I go to the bathroom again one more time?
No.
I'm so sorry. I swear this is like a total misunderstanding.
Yeah, we tried on our end as much as we
I
could.
am so sorry.
We have to wrap this up. We got some place to go.
I know.
Yeah,
So-
so
Okay.
you're gonna have to, if you want to go put your credit card out. First
Can I grab my bag over there?
I'll grab your bag.
So can you put me on the 650? Can I leave? Like after you check me in, can I leave
So
today?
you're going to jail, and then you have to talk to a magistrate, and you probably won't be out until tomorrow or the next day.
Oh my gosh. I'm going to Mexico on the 14th. Can we please work this out? Please.
Ma'am, there's nothing
I'm
we
going
can
to Mexico
do.
on the 14th
Ma'am.
for my mom's birthday.
Look,
Okay, I understand. I
you
understand.
left without paying for it.
I
Whatever
swear to
I
God.
get it. Whatever the discrepancy is, but I need you to go ahead. I'm giving you. There we go.
I don't
So
even
go and put your
it doesn't
phone-
even
go and
You
matter.
want to take your satchel off? I'll put that
Can I
on.
just buy the black one? Can we look in the bathroom one more time,
No.
please?
Okay.
Please.
Go and take your satchel off, and go ahead and take your fanny pack off. I've still got your ID.
Can we please look in the bathroom one more
There's no
time?
dog
Maybe
in
the
there,
lady is
anything.
there, garbage is there.
Okay.
Can I dig into
We
the
already
garbage
passed
in
it.
there?
You've already said you
No, I
looked
want
for
to,
it.
but I didn't look into the other garbage. Can I please?
Okay.
But take that
Go and
off.
take the satchel off.
Please, please.
You're under arrest right
You
now.
can leave this.
James, mind your
No.
business.
Are you here with someone?
No, I'm by myself. I came for work.
Okay.
I just came to drop off a dog for a sick woman. That's what I do. That's literally what I do. Can you go to the bathroom with me, please?
We definitely can't walk inside a woman's bathroom.
What? Say that again?
We can't walk inside of a women's bathroom.
No, I will go in.
We
No.
can't.
I did not mean to do that. I swear to God. This is
We
horrible.
unfortunately, if we had the tags, we might be able to go a different route.
I wish I wouldn't take him out. I didn't want to walk around with
I wish you didn't
tag.
take the suitcase from the beginning.
I know. I should have asked. He was busy.
No, you should have bought
walked
it. Instead of asking, you should have just bought it.
out. I swear that there are so many stores in Minnesota. You walk out and they charge you.
I've been to those stores,
automatically.
but you also have to use your card to go inside the store.
Some of them, not all of them. No, I promise. I
Okay.
promise.
All right, we're gonna walk out to my car. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. I got checkpoint 2 West.
We got you covered.
So whoever.
It's taken care of.
Just to check one more time.
I'm sorry, we're too far past.
It's too far? Okay. I have them already paid for complex, I promise.
Yes, ma'am. Well, I wish you would have paid for them to begin with,
I
but
thought I did.
and it's
I
just an
promise.
unfortunate situation that
I thought I did.
Yeah.
I
Airport
totally
36.
thought I did.
Thank you. Yeah.
I mean, I'm always at the airports. I know exactly how things work. I swear to God. It doesn't matter. Yes, it's too far like this. I could have hide. I mean, I could have done so many things if I was really trying.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to understand that, right? Like I could just do something like hide.
Well, what you did was commit theft. So
I swear to God, I thought it was like a check in and
I
out.
hear what you're saying, but it would have been good to verify with somebody
I
that
should have.
was the
I should
case.
have.
And by not doing that, this is the
I know.
situation that you're
No,
in now.
I understand.
So-
I understand. And when she let me go to the bathroom, I could have just not come back.
We're gonna have to go up and around because I'm not gonna try to get her around.
Yeah.
So
You understand? She let me go.
we're gonna
and I
walk this
could
way
have
on the
just, I
sidewalk.
could have just not come back because you weren't even there. I came back because I didn't do anything wrong.
I'm not saying you're guilty of anything.
I would have come back.
What I am saying is, sometimes if you would have believed that store was one of those stores you could just walk in and walk out,
Yeah.
why would you take the tags off? You don't have to answer that
Because
question.
it was-
No,
I didn't wanna walk
no, what
around
I'm saying
with
is,
a tag bag.
those are questions that the people inside the store asked me.
Yeah, I didn't want to walk.
I'm not asking you.
No, like, would you walk around with a bag with the tags on it? I don't.
I'm not asking you that.
Oh,
I'm just telling you
okay.
what they said.
Oh,
to
I
me.
understand. No, it's not even. I'm not questioning their. I'm not questioning their thought process. I can see why they think I did it.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, I can see. I'm not
Yeah.
even trying to blame them. I mean, they're doing the
This-
job.
your phone?
I feel terrible. I feel terrible that he would have lost his job.
Actually, he wanted to help you out. If he had the tags, he would have helped
I
you out.
swear to God,
Yeah.
I feel so bad that he would have lost his job
Yeah,
over this.
he would have.
I give people shots. I don't.
Yeah.
I don't know why this is happening, but you know what?
I
There's
have
a
an idea why it's
reason
happening. I have an idea why it's happening.
Why?
Because you walked out the store without paying for the bag.
No, I understand that. I did not mean to do that.
Okay.
But I don't know. I don't know why God is doing this to me right now. But I'm just gonna take it. It is
Yeah,
what it is.
it's not the crime of the century.
I swear to God, I did not try to walk out with a bag.
Right.
I
It's,
did not. Like I said, I have the money. I can show you my my bank account. It's not like I don't have the money. I do
Well,
have
it's just
it.
unfortunate you couldn't have paid for it when you had the chance.
I swear to God, I thought I did. I swear to God, I thought I did.
You want to have a seat in there?
Let us
was
know if
charged
there's an
with
interaction
theft.
or
Share
legal
your
topic
thoughts in the
that you would like
comments
us to
below.
discuss in the comments
And
below.
don't forget to like and
Thank you for watching.
subscribe.